Home Service Fix is a trusted leader in the restoration industry in Madison, Wisconsin. We provide 24-hour emergency service and are dedicated to responding faster to your disaster. With the training and expertise to handle your restoration and cleaning needs, we're locally owned and operated and can respond immediately to your emergency. As water damage specialists, we have the experience, expertise, and advanced training that enables us to get your property dried out quickly and thoroughly. We use scientific drying principles and can provide validation and documentation that your property has been dried out and that the job is complete. Call the number at the top of this video for a free quote now. Thanks for watching.